Hey everyone, good morning from Mammoth Lakes, California. We are up here high in the Sierra Nevada mountains to try out Cardo Systems all-new Venture off-road helmet. Now, if you're not familiar with this product, this is an all-new, fully integrated, communication integrated product from Cardo Systems. It's basically a Liet off-road helmet that has the internals of a Pack Talk Edge that's seamlessly integrated into the helmet to allow you to communicate with other riders, listen to music on your phone, get turn-by-turn navigation on a trail if you are riding off-road, and a host of other features that really can enhance your motorcycle riding, especially if you're an off-road rider who wants to stay in touch with friends, loved ones out on the trail. All right, enough talking about this helmet. Who's ready to ride?
All right, everybody, here we are at elevation 8,000 feet high in the Sierra Nevada mountains with our Cardo Systems Venture off-road helmet. What's up? And we are going to be riding. We have this helmet paired with our Insta360 X5. So the cool thing about this Cardo Systems Venture off-road helmet and other Cardo Systems units, the Pack Talk Edge, Pack Talk Bolt, is you can pair these Insta360 cameras really easily with your Insta360 camera. That allows you to record your audio and ride, which is what we're doing right now on our CRF450RX off-road bike. Now, right away, putting on this helmet, this size medium, Cardo Systems Venture off-road helmet weighs 3.2 pounds in size medium, 3.2 pounds. It comes in size extra small through double XL with shell, 3 shell sizes. Extra small, small share shell size, medium large have one, and then extra large 2XL share shell size. This helmet is based off of Liet's 8.5 off-road helmet. This helmet is DOT and EC 2206 certified, comes with a 5-year warranty and a 3-year warranty on the electronics. So Cardo stands behind its product. Now the interface on this helmet is much like the Pack Talk Edge on Cardo Systems integrated Shoei Neotech 3 and GTR 3 helmet. It's got a 4-button interface. It's fairly easy to use with gloves, and it's a lot more low profile than a Pack Talk Edge headset. It's got 40mm JBL speakers that neatly recess into the helmet and don't have any pain points or pressure points against your ears or head, which is really nice. There's a boom-style microphone that's recording this audio. I really like this helmet. It's got a good viewport, which allows you to really see what's going on ahead of you. We have Scott goggles, which are fairly oversized, and these goggles are very compatible. In fact, we've ran Scott goggles, Oakley goggles, Fox goggles, and Cardo's goggles with this helmet. They all work very nicely. Now, in terms of ventilation, we haven't really ridden this helmet at speed in hot climates. It's probably only 64 degrees right now. It's not very hot, but you definitely feel the wind through the helmet, especially at speed. Up the hill, we are going 4th or 5th gear pin, and then you do feel airflow on your face, which feels quite nice, especially if you're putting in some hard rides. Other thing I like about this helmet is its 360 turbine technology, which gives the helmet a little bit of float. So if you have a tip over an accident, the helmet has some float to it, which helps, in theory, reduce rotational injury to your ever so soft frame. And that's exactly what we're looking for in a helmet. Riding motorcycles is very dangerous, so it's good to have a quality helmet that's going to help you stay safe in the event of an accident, because it's not if, it's when. Now, of course, you can pair your iOS or Android-powered smartphone with this Cardo Systems Venture off-road helmet and listen to music or get turn-by-turn navigation right from your phone. You can also pair it via Bluetooth with other riders that have Cardo Systems headsets, whether they have the Pack Talk Edge, Bold, Freecom 4X, whatever. You can pair it with them, and in Bluetooth mode, you can also pair competition, competitors' headsets with this system. And furthermore, you can use Cardo's DMC mesh, which gives you a little bit longer range and allows you to connect up to 15 riders. So DMC's mesh is good because it's got a little bit more range, and it just plain works a little bit better than Bluetooth. But you can only use it with other Cardo Systems riders. So that is DMC mesh in a nutshell. The range of this helmet is 1 mile. That's 1 mile without any obstacles. Here at this racetrack, we have many obstacles. We've got trees, we've got hills, so the range is going to be a lot less than it would be if you're riding in flat desert. But if you're riding in flat desert, the communication will work really good. If you're riding in thick trees or really hilly terrain, the range is going to be quite a bit less. But if you ride very close to one another, that's going to help. And if you use DMC mesh, that's going to help because DMC mesh uses every headset as a pure operating point to jump between headsets, which is pretty cool. I really like the comfort of this helmet. This helmet feels really good inside. It's medium. Doesn't feel too heavy. Flows good air. iPort's just awesome. All in all, a good product from Cardo Systems. Cool. They're coming out with a fully integrated solution. Some of you might not want to hassle with installing a headset. You might be scared of it. It's actually pretty easy to do. We've done a lot of install videos on the Speed Addicts TV YouTube channel. So if you're looking for some tips and tricks on how to install your Cardo Systems headset, check out that content, Speed Addicts TV. And if you're shopping for stuff, go over to the Speed Addicts Superstore in Orange, California. You can try before you buy, and you can walk out that same day with whatever you want. So check out Speed Addicts Superstore, Orange, California. Back to the Venture Off-Road helmet. Let's talk about price. $800 for this helmet. If you buy a Liet 8.5, the helmet's $550. A Pack Talk Edge is another $400 some. So you really are saving some money by purchasing this Venture Off-Road helmet. So if you're a value-conscious rider and you want a Bluetooth headset, you may as well just buy this Venture Off-Road helmet because it's going to be a couple $100 less expensive than if you bought the Liet 8.5 helmet by yourself and the Pack Talk Edge, which this helmet is based off of. And you don't have to install it or anything. It comes installed from the factory. Well, everyone, if you can't tell, we are having a great time riding our 450RX with the Venture Off-Road helmet. I'd say at the end of the day, if you're looking for a quality off-road helmet and you want Bluetooth comms, check out this helmet. Of course, it's available now at speedaddicts.com. $800 available, not now, I'm sorry, but August 2026. It says Cardo Systems. Well, everyone, that wraps up our Cardo Systems Venture Off-Road helmet review. As always, if you're looking for the greatest motorcycle reviews, check out moto-1.com. We're America's fastest growing motorcycle magazine. We test all types of bikes, on-road, off-road. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. What do you want to see us test next? We'll see you in the next episode. I can pass this two-stroke, man.
Well, everyone, that was a fun day getting to know Cardo Systems' new Venture Off-Road helmet. I really like this helmet. In size medium, it fits really well. It doesn't feel too heavy. this ventilation actually worked pretty good today. It's not a crazy hot day, but at speed, 5th gear pin, you could feel the vents pushing that air through the helmet. It just made for a little bit more comfortable riding experience. You can ride a little bit longer. This 4-button interface is really easy to use. These buttons turn it on the side. This front and back unit turn it on the side. This button allows you to pair your Insta360 to your iPhone. And it works really good for a motovlogger like me. Of course, we weren't really talking to any fellow riders on the trail. We were riding as hard as we could and as fast as we could. But if you're a trail rider who's riding in an open environment that doesn't have a lot of trees, doesn't have a lot of hills, this Cardo Systems Venture Off-Road helmet will work really well. It's worth mentioning, if you use the 15-rider DMC mesh, that's gonna give you more favorable transmission than the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth can give you a little bit more limited range. So if we're on a trail ride and all of our friends have these things, we encourage you all to have Cardo Systems and use the DMC mesh. That will allow you to have just a little bit more range and a little bit more ability to communicate when you're on the trail. Because after all, when you're out riding with your buddies on the trail, it's good to be able to talk, crack some jokes, warn people of any potential hazards ahead. Oh, we need to get gas, I'm thirsty, blah, 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 blah. And that's where this $800 Cardo Venture Off-Road helmet comes in. Of course, you can buy a Leatt 8.5 helmet and a Pack Talk Edge separate, but it's gonna cost a little bit more, just right around $1,000. So you're gonna save $200 by buying it. You don't have to worry about installing it, it's fully integrated. As always, if you wanna shop for a Cardo Systems Venture Off-Road helmet or any Cardo Systems Bluetooth communicator, whether it's a Pack Talk Edge, Freecom 4X, or it's Pack Talk Pro, which I use all the time, make sure to do so with speedaddicts.com and check out our install videos on the Speed Addicts TV YouTube series if you're not. And check out our install videos on the Speed Addicts TV YouTube channel if you are kind of scared or a little bit timid about installing a Bluetooth headset. It's really easy. We walk you through the process in those videos. And as always, sound off in the comment section. What did you think of this video? Would you ride in a Cardo Systems Venture Off-Road helmet? And we'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for hanging out with us today.